I beat the bitch up a Givenchy. Whoa. I bought the stadium, don't need no seats. Whoa. And I got cadence and real nice teeth. Whoa. Bitch, brown like Coco, don't real nice.
Oh my god.
Your Louis and heels, you never gon' wear Nikes. I done left it for years.
She's living Martin Lawrence, I'm a bad boy. When I got off my ass and got to the cash and got in my bag, boy. Please don't think it's sweet, I stay with the heat even though I'm a sad boy. You better watch the way you breathe around me for that breath be last, boy.
I've been drinking red rats, boy. I've been chopping out these birds, McCoy. No one bet my rich a million 9 months. Overseas, honey skin, bitch, croissants.
Alright, so we're actually popping a basketball today. It's gonna be a lot louder than the other ones.
Alright guys, so we pumped this ball up super,
A lot?
yeah, but let's just say it a lot, and now I took it up into the air. Oh, freak, dude. What? Man, look at this dude. Oh, no. Let's go. Come on, Evan, let's go. Frick. How's that one feeling? The same?
It feels crazy, bro.
Can I feel it?
We gotta actually dribble it.
Oh! Dude, the noise, dude.
Give me it. Are you?
Oh! Evan! I don't even know if I got that. Oh my god. Did you get it? Did you get it? I hope. I'm not.
Okay, so now we're taking this ball to Devaj's yard and we're gonna blow it up in the street.
Should you just be like, it's a trend?
Oh my god, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. They're so mad, I know they are.
That's mine. That's not soccer ball. I want to wear that. You look like a banana.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do another basketball. Oh.
Bro, you got it. It's ball for here. No. Bro, chucking the ball at the ground, it's just like so scary. Yeah, no.
Alright, we're going to the park now because nobody was at the golf course. We're actually trying to do a prank. Cutting 3 yards to get to the park.
Do it. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Drip, my drip.
Oh!
Back on. Drip, my drip. Back right on my drip. I don't like that too long.
Bro, what are these bounces?
Bro.
What?
The shot. Oh.
Oh! No!
What?
Yes. No!
Shoot one at least.
Yeah! Bro!
Just that.
What? Yes! Let's go!
Give me the ball.
And that ball could explode any second.
Oh, I'm balling like Curry.
Give me it.
Dude, you guys are just playing basketball with the bomb. Oh, shit.
I suck on this.
It could just explode at any second. Devaj, you missed all the rock. How do you miss? Go. Oh. Oh. Bruh.
They're looking at us.
Yeah, I know. Go. Throw it. Oh my god. Oh. They were looking at us. Oh!
the first one.
Alright guys, there's a man on his phone. We think he's calling the cops, so we gotta dip. Why are we going through here? What? Oh my god, there's so many guys on their phones. Jesus! It's Colin! Get off!
I say we the killers. We murder him in this trap. I show you.
See that last one? Dude, if we still had this thing, I'd go on the roof and just. Dude, this thing is tough leather.
No, it's a far.
Got more bracelets on and you got chains, bro. Me and my dog dope came in on the same boat.
Hi, thank you for opening the door. The last two people rejected me. I just really need to compliment you on your house paint. The paint is really good.
Oh, thank you.
Really good.
Okay, thank you. Hey, did you lose a bet?
What?
Did you lose a dare?
No, I'm not. It's not a dare.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Well, thank you very
Okay.
much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yep.
The last two people rejected me, so
Oh, did they?
yeah.
Oh, man.
You too.
What's up?
I really like the succulent tree in your house. Oh, and anyways, I really like the pink color of your house.
Okay.
I
Thanks.
Really like it.
All right.
Thank you for answering. The last two people rejected me.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna take these basketballs. We're gonna do the same thing as we did the other day. And we're gonna try to go back to the golf course. And hopefully they explode while golfers are there and they're gonna get really mad, so.
You know golfers, bro. They always be like mad over any talking while they're golfing.
What's it called?
Hello. What time?
Oh!
Gosh, do not laugh.
Hello, David Chicken.
Woodside, this is Jake.
Hello, it's David. What time do you guys close?
Okay, we're done.
Just say stop hanging up on me! Oh, shoot.
Wait, did the needle break?
I don't know.
Alright,
It better not have. If it did, you're dead.
I got more rings than you got hoes, bro. I'm on my beat, I'm a Bentley with the wing, yeah.
Oh my god!
I let my kids fly private on Supreme, yeah.
Okay, bro, how much? Oh my god.
Evan.
I just looked over. Dude, I got scared. I don't know if I
I put your ring on rocks. Wow. I told that bitch I want nice city. Whoa. I told her she a duck wanna be.